Imagine a world where machines can predict the future, write stories that are no different from human written ones, compose music that touches the soul. But what if this technology comes with a price? Welcome to the world of ChatGPT, where the line between human and machine is becoming increasingly blurred.
Humans don't always have the same goal as other humans, so who gets control of the technology? How is it built in? I don't think there's a need to panic, but I think the dialogue along those levels, the people who say let's not worry at all, I don't agree with that.
Are we going to get into a situation where a machine's just doing everything?
The artificial intelligence bot Chat GPT coming for your job.
The danger of AI is much greater than the danger of nuclear warheads, by a lot.
Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of The Inside Story. Today I want to talk to you about a technology that is changing the world in ways we never thought possible. ChatGPT is a powerful machine learning model that uses a deep neural network to generate natural sounding text based on the input it is given. It can answer questions, write essays and even compose music. It is being used in everything from customer service chatbots to automated news writing and even in creative writing such as poetry, song lyrics and even scripts for movies and TV shows. But as we continue to rely on ChatGPT and other AI technologies, we must consider the potential consequences. What happens to the jobs that are being replaced by machines? How do we ensure that these technologies are used ethically and responsibly? There are many potential dark sides of using ChatGPT. One is the possibility of deepfake text. With the ability to generate realistic text, it could be used to spread misinformation at scale. These deepfake text can be used to influence public opinion, manipulate social media feeds, and even interfere with elections. Another concern is the potential for bias. Machine learning models are only as unbiased as the data they are trained on, and if the data is biased, the model will be too. This is particularly important when it comes to language models like ChatGPT. For example, if an AI model is trained on a dataset that contains mostly male job applicants, it may not be able to accurately predict the qualifications of female job applicants. AI can make decisions and predictions that are unfair due to the data they are trained on. Additionally, there is risk of over-reliance on AI-generated text. As the output of these models become increasingly similar from human-written text, another risk is the potential loss of privacy, as AI models are trained on personal data and used to generate personal information without consent. These AI models leads to the displacement of jobs that involves tasks that can be automated by these models. In the field of writing and journalism, ChatGPT and other language generation models can be used to write news articles, social media posts, and other types of content. This leads to reduction in the number of jobs available for writers and journalists, as the tasks they perform can be done more efficiently and at lower cost by these models. Not only the job of journalist or writer, it is also hampering creativity and innovation of human coders. With the ability to generate efficient and accurate code, it could lead to reduction in the need of human coders and a decrease in demand for their skills. AI has the ability to automate repetitive tasks and improve the efficiency of software development process. So these AI will obviously improve with time and with our more use. But despite these concerns, the potential for AI models like ChatGPT is truly amazing. It has the ability to improve customer service, assist in creative writing, and even in the education field, providing personalized learning experience for students. Thank you for watching. This is The Inside Story, signing off.